Ted, sige na.
Heto
Nami karon sa Hanging Bridge.
Sumakabakaba itong bibig.
Together with the team.
Nandito
Amor.
kami sa Hanging Bridge.
Mr. and Mrs.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Hanging Bridge. Alam mo na ba ng forward ko na mo? Nandito kami ngayon sa Hanging Bridge. I really don't know bakit tinatawag tong Hanging Bridge.
May nakakabit naman.
They're waiting for you, my dear.
Anyway, Ted. Dito.
They're so scared of Hanging Bridge, my God.
My God. Who's your God?
My God! Wow, it's so perfect! It's so perfect!
Ay, uy.
Wait, it's so perfect. Uy, maging hanging ba? Hala, ha? Uy, it's so beautiful. So, it's hanging. Bayad na mag-this para mag... Oh my God, this is so perfect. Oh my God, I like this.
Ha? Ano ba? Oh my God! Kwinta sa nila.
Manaka nila, ay, perfect. More, guys, more.
Once more. Oh. Wala ako. Ah. Let's go, yung buho, no?
Halito. Nandito kami ngayon sa Hanging Bridge. Hanging Bridge is falling down, falling down.
Akala na.
Bawa pala mo cellphone mo, hindi ko mo. May dyan extra challenge ba to? Extra challenge?
Ano siya?
This is so perfect.
Pabayro naman tawag, Gis, para mulabang.
Maghimo ko gingon ani sa akong room tonight. Pabayran ako pag-gis.